Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up NordVPN on Android for safer public Wi-Fi. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up NordVPN on your Android device for safer public Wi-Fi, start by unlocking your Open the Google Play Store app from your home screen. In the search bar, type NordVPN and tap the search icon. Locate the NordVPN app in the search results and select it. Tap the green Install button to download and install the application. Once the installation is complete, open the NordVPN app by tapping Open. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials and tap Login. If you don't have an account, select Sign Up to create one following the prompts. After logging in, you'll see the main dashboard of the app. Tap the Quick Connect button, which is typically a large power button icon. The app will automatically connect you to the best available server. For more control, tap Countries to choose a specific server location. Select a country from the list to connect to that server. Once connected, you'll see a notification indicating a secure connection. Your internet traffic is now encrypted, providing added security on public Wi-Fi. To disconnect, tap the power button icon again in the app. If you want to customize your experience, navigate to the settings in the app. Here, you can enable features like Cyber SEC to block ads and malicious websites. You may also want to enable Kill Switch to prevent data leaks if the VPN disconnects. Make sure to test your VPN connection by browsing the internet. Check if your IP address matches the server location you've chosen. You are now ready to enjoy a safer browsing experience on public Wi-Fi. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.